Okay, welcome back, guys. Today I will be making curry chicken. I think this is the back of the chicken with the thigh, and I'll be making some jasmine rice with mixed veggie on the side. Stay tuned. In my previous video I showed you how to clean the chicken, so I will not be showing you guys again today. Please check out the jerk chicken video if you want to see how I clean my chicken. Okay, so I just added some Maggi seasoning, all purpose. I'm gonna add my probably 2 spoons of curry to my chicken. Okay guys, I already added about 2 spoons of my all-purpose Maggi seasoning. Now I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of my curry. Okay, I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of this blended seasoning. Gonna mix this in. So this is going to sit for 30 minutes. Okay, while the chicken is sitting for 30 minutes, it's time to cook our good old jasmine rice. Hey Alexa, stop. Hey Alexa, stop. Sitting for 30 minutes. I'm gonna put the rice on. I'm just gonna wash it. Probably about, this is for like 2 people. Not cooking much. I usually wash the rice until the water becomes clear. Some people add their rice to boiling water. I do sometimes, but this time I am not going to. The water is becoming clear, so I guess we can stop. Usually what I add to my rice is pepper, piece at a time, and some butter, and that's it. I'm gonna let that simmer for 30 minutes, and I'll be back to show you the end process. For my next step, I'm going to add some garlic. These are frozen garlic. You can add regular garlic if you want. I just put them in the refrigerator to have them kept fresh. I'm gonna add some olive oil to my pot. It's already hot. Not too much. Probably this amount is fine. If you notice that is hot, So now I'm gonna add some garlic. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna add some curry. They said burnt curry, but I don't think it's the right term to use, but I'm gonna have the curry turn into a brown colorish type of look. I don't know if that explains it. This is probably 2 teaspoons. See how it is now? It's brown. So I'm gonna add my chicken to it. Okay, we're gonna add the chicken. So I'm gonna stir it, and usually I make this sit for like 20 minutes. Then I add a small portion of water to it and let it slowly cook. I'm gonna add a small portion of water. This is what we're gonna pour into the pot after 20 minutes. While over here, we're gonna add the mixed veggie to this hot boiling water. Then I'm gonna add some veggie seasoning to it. It's not open. Ooh, it's a little too much. Add some veggie seasoning to our veggie. Let this cook for like 7 minutes, and then we can turn it off. Let's check on our curry chicken over here. Let's take a look. All that water just springs on its own. I am now going to add some water to it. Ooh. Okay, the rice is ready. Curry chicken is almost ready. I'm gonna add some Irish potatoes and some carrots to it. So it is ready to serve, guys. So I'm gonna take out my plate and let you see how it's looking. Okay guys, there you have it, my curry chicken with mixed veggie and jasmine rice. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.